There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. You know, it's crazy, right? It's money everywhere. It's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino is the Name.
Hey yo, what's going on right now? You're watching Casino is the Name, and in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about my Porsche Cayenne. This is actually a tax write-off for me. So as long as your vehicle is over 6,000 GVWR, gross vehicle weight rating, then you can write that vehicle off for your business. So this entire amount, whatever you pay, let's say you paid $60,000 for a vehicle, you paid $100,000 for a vehicle, you can lower your taxable income by depreciating the car that year for the whole amount. So most cars, if you have a business, you may have to take it out over 5 years. Like this car is not 6,000 GVWR, so when I depreciate this car, I can't depreciate this car the whole cost of the car in 1 year. But this car, I can actually depreciate this entire amount that I paid for the car for the whole year. That is valuable, right? That is valuable. So this is why you might see a lot of rich people who, like, let's say they have a G-Wagon, right? They paid over $100,000. Let's say they were millionaires, and that lowers their taxable income by that amount of that vehicle. And and that's only because that vehicle is over 6,000 GVWR. So G-Wagons, Porsche Cayenne, I think probably some Yukons or something like that. You can definitely do that with certain vehicles. Every vehicle doesn't work. Now, you can still depreciate these other cars by taking them out over 5 years and depreciate them down. Let's say you paid $40,000 for a car like this, then you take it out over 5 years, you just divide that $40,000 by the 10. That's one way to do it. You can also look at expenses, gas and mileage and all the other kind of stuff, but straight line depreciation, you can just depreciate this entire expense. Let's say you paid $70,000 for this, $80,000 for one of these, then, you know, and that doesn't matter if it's new or used. So if you buy a new hybrid 2021 hybrid Porsche Cayenne costs, I think, 160-some thousand or something. So if you were somebody who bought that and you made like 500, 600,000 a year, $1 million a year, you can depreciate the entire cost of the car to reduce your taxable income. Essentially, they said it's about 40%. I can't really explain. What I'm saying is, like, you get like maybe like 40% of the value of the car back or whatever. So, but you can depreciate the entire amount, which brings down the taxable income. So that is essentially how some people say they get a free car, they get a free whatever. On some of these videos, people say, I got a free Porsche, a free Lambo, a free whatever, because they're depreciating the GVWR of a lot of these vehicles. And so this is a great car to do it with. And I owed last year on my taxes. I try to never owe, and this vehicle is going to help me not owe anything, and I should get something decent back from my taxes. So anyway, right now you're watching Casino is the Name. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we out.
Hey, yo, what's going on right now? You're watching Casino is the Name, and if you wanted to know how I started my trucking business, I have an ebook called Big Shot, Hot Shot Volume 1, Own Your Trucking Authority. It's a great book, 5-star reviews. The link will be in the description below. Go get that. Yeah.
Beat me up, Scotty. Me and
her together, we just count it up. Money on my mind, I can't get enough. Don't play with my money, you don't want no beef. Cause I come from the bottom, I come from the street. When she first saw me, she said, who is that? When a man saw me, he called me a threat. I'm the one that really lived with a rap. They ain't never did it, they ain't really trap.
You say you want to be successful, but what's stopping you? Can't nothing stop you from being successful except for you. You standing in your own way. I came from the bottom. I ain't know nothing but the grind. You can't tell me nothing about that. I caught the bus at Basin Street Projects in Tallahassee, Florida. You hear me? I used to think $1 million would last me my whole life. I'd have made that and spent that. $1 million ain't enough. There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. You know, it's crazy, right? It's money everywhere. It's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino is the name.